Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by signing into YouTube Studio and confirming the channel you'll publish from. This sets permissions and monetization rules. Next, you check music policies so you avoid strikes. This matters because two identical edits can get different outcomes. Once done, choose your source: the free YouTube audio library for safe clips, or YouTube Music paired with a premium account for higher quality tracks. Begin importing a short test clip to verify format and loudness. Now you import the chosen track into your editing timeline and set it to 48K HZ if possible. This preserves sync. Use markers to align musical hits with cuts and key visuals, then trim excess using fades for smooth transitions. Make sure to normalize levels and apply ducking or sidechain compression so dialogue remains intelligible over the music. This prevents clashes and keeps viewers engaged. Once satisfied, export a short preview to confirm sync and dynamic balance before final render. To finish, upload the final render and add accurate music credits and license information in the description. This reduces disputes. Then monitor content ID and copyright notices. If a claim appears, read the claim details and decide whether to accept, trim, or replace the track. If you have a license, prepare proof and follow the dispute process. Otherwise, swap the track for a YouTube audio library alternative and re-upload. Quick tip: keep original license receipts handy to resolve claims fast.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.